Friends, hello, hi, how you doing? Let's talk about Mullen Automotive. This company has been around for quite a bit here, and it's been through a lot and starting to get a little more attention here. And I think this is the year that a lot of us are going, okay, this is the year that is either going to make or break us as investors. Potentially next year, a lot of us are thinking we could possibly see a bull market as long as we keep seeing, hey, inflation's going down. Rates are not going as bad as we thought they were going to go, and the stock market is showing signs of trying to turn around here a little bit. So there's actually some positive things in the air right now. Obviously, this is not the bull market that we had a few years ago, but hey, we're starting to see a little bit greener grass here. Now with that, personally, I'm looking for things that I'm really like, where do I want to put money here and there? Mullen here, M-U-L-N here, is very interesting, and right now we're seeing the short interest being pushed right now. This thing has been used and abused, and obviously, and there's no doubt that people are betting against it. There's a lot of bears right now betting against this, and we're starting to see pushback from the general investor here with this stock. And one reason we're seeing a little more positive, friendly investor relations here with this stock right now is that the company is starting to have bigger and better news. Now, talking about the broad scheme of the EV market, obviously there is a bag full of EV companies right now that you can decide where you want to put your money into. That's obvious. But a lot of people obviously are looking for things that are very affordable. And Mullen right here is one of those stocks that is grabbing a lot of attention. Now, if we look at a chart here, here's what we should look at here. The 6-month chart, it's not great. And the stock is on dangerous ground right now where something's got to happen. Because obviously it has not been over $1 since July. So NASDAQ goes, you know what, we don't like that, and you've only got a year to really get this thing back up and going. So they're probably going to start calling here soon and be like, hey, listen, we really need to push the stock. If not, we're going to ask you to do a reverse split. And of course, you can file an extension, but more than likely, we don't know that you're going to make it. But as of late, the company has been receiving good news. Looking at this 6-month chart right here, on October 27th here, we had the stock at right under 60 cents. Then it trailed down, and obviously, all the way till December of last year, just terrible in the market. Now, starting off this year here, we're starting off going into the 40s, and we're building small little shelves here. On January 5th, we hit that 42 mark, trailing off a little bit back down to the 30s, and now we're trying to trail back up into this 40. So going into the monthly chart, we can see we're having some huge highs and lows here. This is how things start to get made. I mean, this is where it starts. You have to start somewhere, and any kind of good news on penny stocks, growth stocks like this, we have to pay attention to, especially if you're looking for something to get into for the long run. And please, understand, I am not saying this is the next Tesla or the next big thing. I'm simply talking about maybe as people looking for a short run here, or people looking for maybe even possibly an EV company that they can get into for the long haul. And if you look at the chart here on volume, it's been well over 200 million here a few times now. And even on January 25th, hitting over 400 million. So this is pretty significant numbers that we're seeing, and they're continuing. That's the thing. Yesterday was probably the worst it's had in quite some time. And friends, I'm going to put this news right up here so you can see what's going on here too. I'm sure a lot of you know, so I don't want to go over this news. But obviously the company right now is on a teeter-totter where it could go up real soon if we see some new news come out here very soon. And most analysts are already talking about a stock split, but even the analysts right now are saying, hey, this may not have to happen because the company is coming very close to big production, especially in the States. So a lot of people are really focusing their attention on this right now, and I think it's worthy of really digging into this further, you as an investor, and going, hey, this may be a little bit of a gold bar here I've found before a lot of other people have as well. If people watch this video, I will continue to talk about the company. Personally, I am highly thinking about putting a large investment in this stock. It is a huge gamble at the moment considering where they are. Yes. Also, with that, we could see a huge run up here if we see some production news within the next month or two, which could be very possible. And if so, this thing will in no doubt run up to $1, and not, if not more. Which this is what stock needs to survive, not having a reverse split, and what investors are looking for and gunning for. So friends, with all that said, I really do wish all of you best of luck, and I will talk to you soon. Bye friends.